Hi there. If you've been curious about affiliate marketing, maybe you've heard the buzz or seen success stories online. Maybe you're wondering, is this legit or just another scam? Well, you're in the right place because today we're diving deep into the world of affiliate marketing. I'm going to break everything down for you, everything that you need to know, what it is, how it works, how much money you potentially could earn, and the steps to get started. Plus, if you stick around all the way to the end, I've got something very special for you this holiday season, my free ebook, From Doubt to Success. Trust me, it's packed with tips and tricks and strategies to kickstart your journey in 2025. All right, let's get started with the basics. What exactly is affiliate marketing? And that's a great question. In simple terms, it's performance-based marketing where businesses pay you a commission to promote their products or services. That's right, they pay you a commission. Think of it like being a digital matchmaker between companies and customers, and you're that matchmaker. Here's how it works. You join an affiliate program. Now, this could be directly through a company or through platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. You promote their products or services using a unique affiliate link. You can do this through social media posts, blogs, YouTube channels like this one, or even email campaigns. Now, you earn a commission every time someone clicks your link and completes an action like making a purchase or signing up for a service. And it's a win-win. Businesses grow their customer base and you earn passive income. It's a pretty cool way to make money, actually. And oh, by the way, I cover a ton of tips about choosing the best affiliate programs in my free ebook, so keep watching. But now you're probably wondering, how much money can you actually make? Is it really worth your time? To be honest, the income potential in affiliate marketing varies. And I mean, it really, really varies. There are three key factors that influence how much you can earn. Let's start with the first factor, your niche. Now, some niches like finance or tech offer much higher commissions than others. Another factor is your traffic. The more eyes on your content, the more potential clicks you're going to get. And the third is your strategy. Are you creating valuable content that genuinely helps your audience? The more value you provide, the more successful you're going to be. Let me give you an example. I've seen people earn a few $100s a month as a side hustle. Then there are others who turn affiliate marketing into a full-time six-figure business, and that is possible. The difference, though, is consistency and understanding their audience and offering real solutions to real problems. Now, you might be asking, Dan, how do I get started in affiliate marketing? Don't worry, I've got a roadmap coming up for you in just a minute. Okay, let's tackle the elephant in the room first. Is affiliate marketing legit or just another online scam? 100% legit. Major companies like Amazon, Walmart, and even Microsoft use affiliate programs to grow their businesses. But like any industry, there are scams out there, so you got to protect yourself. How? Well, do some research, stick with trusted companies and platforms, and check reviews. See what other affiliates are saying about that program you're looking at. And avoid get-rich-quick schemes. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Affiliate marketing isn't about overnight success. It's about building something sustainable over time. And trust me, with the right mindset and solid strategy, you can absolutely build a reliable income stream. Okay, let's talk a little bit about how to actually get started. Here's a simple 5-step roadmap to success for 2025. First, pick a niche. What are you passionate about? What problems can you help solve? Number 2, join affiliate programs. Start with beginner-friendly options like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Create valuable content. This could be blog posts, TikTok videos, YouTube channels, or even simple Instagram reels. And pro tip, focus on helping your audience, not just selling them. Promote your content. Use SEO, social media platforms, and email marketing campaigns to get your message out. Analyze and optimize. Pay attention to what's working, and don't be afraid to tweak your strategy as you grow. Want to go deeper into each step? No worries. I'm going to break it all down in my free ebook. And guess what? It's yours for free. So make sure you grab it after this video. Now let's talk about choosing the right affiliate programs. This is crucial because not all programs are created equal. Here's a few suggestions. Amazon Associates, perfect for beginners since it covers pretty much everything. ClickBank, great for digital products with high commissions. And ShareSale and CJ Affiliate, reliable networks with tons of options for different niches. The key is to choose programs that align with your niche and your audience's needs. And remember, the best programs aren't just about high commissions. They're about products you believe in and you can confidently recommend. All right, we've covered a lot today. What affiliate marketing is, how it works, and how to get started. If you've been on the fence about jumping into this space, I hope this video has given you the clarity that you need. Now, as promised, I've got something special just for you this holiday season, my free ebook, From Doubt to Success, Mindset Shifts for New Affiliate Marketers. This is your ultimate guide to building the right mindset, choosing the right programs, and setting yourself up for long-term success starting in 2025. Drop a comment below for a free copy of my ebook, and let's make 2025 the year you transform your dreams into reality. And I can't wait to see what you achieve. Thanks for following this channel, liking and subscribing this video, and we'll see you next time.